Greetings, Generosity Network Bartlett. It's Brian Watson, the nonprofit chair for Saving Lost Kids, and here's my 60 seconds for today. A couple things I want you to look at. First of all, on your phone, if you have not downloaded the Raffles Now app yet, please do that. And after you do that, and you open it up and you're set to go, browse the raffles until you find our monthly 50/50 raffle. The tickets start at $5 all the way up to $50, and half will go to a lucky winner and half to Saving Lost Kids. And if the other reminder is if you have not, let's just do that. If you have not texted the word lost to phone number 51555 yet, please do, because when a new kid runs away from home, you'll be the first ones to know about it. See if we can get him back safely and quickly as possible. Thanks for watching my 60 seconds, and don't forget to feed Cupcake.